the elevator just to see you coming down the stairs. I'm a love letter lightly used. Use it to remind you how I loved you once. And I love you still. And I wanna get lost with you. But I know the way too well. Wanna feel safe with you. But I gotta hold it down inside myself. Inside myself. I did not know what to do with all of my feelings over you. I'm falling fast and deeper still. And ever since the day, that's how it's been. Everywhere I go, I carry you within my true heart. My true heart. And I wanna get lost with you. But I know the way too well. I wanna feel safe with you. But I gotta hold it down inside myself. Inside myself. I'm a tornado in a tea room. Took the elevator just to see you coming down the stairs.